Hello everyone. Today we are going to study conservation of magnetic field. So we already know what is current density. See, already in last classes we have studied current density and we know what is conduction current and induced current. So current density is given by conduction current plus induced current. So mathematically conduction current is sigma into E and induced current is sigma mu Q cross H. Therefore current density is sigma is common I have taken. So sigma into E plus mu into del Q cross H. So taking curl on both sides, we'll get curl of J is equal to sigma into curl of E plus mu into curl of this Q cross H. So what is J? J is del cross H using Ampere's law. And what is del cross E? It is minus dou B by dou T. B can be written as mu H. Therefore, del cross E is equal to minus mu dou H by dou T using Faraday's law. So in our previous classes, we studied what is Faraday's law and we have derived del cross E is equal to minus mu into dou H by dou T, and already we have studied what is Ampere's law also. So I didn't explain what is Ampere's law and Faraday's law here. Just I have substituted the result of Ampere's law and Faraday's law, and last term remains as it is. So we have to find del cross H. We have a vector identity del cross A cross B, which is written as B dot del into A minus A dot del into B plus A into del dot B minus B into del dot A. In this formula, just substitute A as del and B as H. Substitute A as del and B as H, we will get this equation. In this, del dot del becomes an operator, hence it is neglected. Here also H dot del into del is an operator, it is neglected, and del dot H is 0 using solenoidal property of magnetic field. Therefore, del cross H is minus del square H. Substituting this in previous equation, we will get minus del square H is equal to RHS remains as it is, RHS term. So I shifted or I have divided this equation throughout with mu into sigma. We will get this equation. Then I have just shifted minus dou H by dou T to LHS and I have shifted this term to RHS. Here I am taking 1 by mu sigma as nu m. So dou H by dou T is equal to nu m del square H plus curl of Q cross H is the required magnetic induction equation for electrically conducting compressible fluid. So to find conservation of magnetic induction equation for incompressible fluid, we are going to reduce this term del cross Q cross H using vector identity. So what is del cross Q cross H? In the previous vector identity, substitute A is equal to Q, B is equal to H, we will get this equation. Again, del dot H is 0 using solenoidal property. Also, for incompressible fluid, del cross Q is 0. So this term is also 0. So we have left out with only these two terms. Substitute these two terms in equation 4. So dou H by dou T mu m into del square H, and what is del cross Q cross H? It is H dot del into Q minus Q dot del into H. Just shifted minus Q dot del H to LHS and we can substitute this as capital D H by dt. So dH by dt is equal to mu m del square H plus H dot del Q is the required magnetic induction equation for electrically conducting incompressible fluid. So this is for incompressible fluid. In case if the fluid is perfectly conducting, so it means 100% conducting, then mu m is 0. So in that case, this equation reduced to dH by dt is equal to H dot del into Q. So this is the required magnetic induction equation for perfectly conducting fluid. Thank you.